All right, I've got a, this is November 30th, 2016. I have a short in GU up in here. What I see is I see a wall of price in here where we're still going to continue down. They've got a descending top in here. And off the time frame from this peak, I see two pushes down. I see one in here, two in here where they're trying to fake everybody out to go long with this W off the water in the blueberry. However, from that W, also in the lower time frame, the 15, I see one down, I see two down. So on the stop hunt coming back, I've got, let's see here, from down here off this W, I have a push one up, I have a push two up, and then I have a vector push three up. I didn't have anything set. I didn't have a pending order in there, otherwise I'd have been right in up in here. But I got in on this red candle when it came back down. Kind of a quick thing instead of waiting for a little pullback. Good. So I had a 6 pip stop, but right now I'm at break even. And we're looking for a move down. Alright, this is a continuation on my GU trade where I just added in. I see a push 1, I see a push 2 coming down. I added in right here. I brought my stop loss down to this point. They should both be even. Essentially what I'm doing is I'm doubling up my position and will still have a profit in the event that I'm wrong. It's a nice situation to be in. We'll see how it plays out. Alright, here's an update. We're starting to look at targets. My first entry is here. I got in over here. And my second entry was right here. My second entry, I have a target down here of 25 pips to give me a 5 to 1 return. I'm picking this because it's the Asia low. On the higher time frame, I'm looking at this as a potential target where they're going to be taking. I'm a little concerned about this, but they should be taking this out. I think they're really going to be coming down and hitting these people here, but I don't want to hold that long. So this is a reasonable target for them on my first entry. So if I get that, that'd be like a 60 pip target. So 12 and 5 would be 17 for the day. That would be good. Oh, things are starting to move along pretty well right now. Alright, I'll keep you updated as things progress. Alright, looks like they're about ready to hit the first target. We'll see in a second or two, I hope. Well, yep, there he goes. Got our first target is hit. We're still up here, so we've got the 5 to 1 off of that one, and we'll get at least another. We'll get another 3 at least. Oh, well, look at that go, huh? All right. All right, I just closed the order because of the spike down there. It was more than I expected, and I'll take it. Let's see what we got today. Okay, here we are. This is the trade for today. I got in up here on the first entry, and then the second entry on the pullback. I got in right there. The second target was right there. I had this as my first target, but the price went through it so quickly I didn't I didn't put it on because I wait to see what happens. And when I saw it coming down, I just did a manual exit right there, and so I have 75 pips off the first one and 25 off of this one, total of 100 pips for the day. I'll give a summation in a little bit. I've got to run out and do a little errand or two right now.
Okay, this is a summation of the GU trades I did today. When I first came on, I saw this W pattern down here, and I looked to the left to see what was going on. I saw push 1 down, I saw push 2 down, so I knew that was only a fake out to entice people to go long. So I was looking for a 3 pushes up to an extreme with for an entry to go short. And I got that with this IDR, stands for intraday reversal. So I got a short in there, and then there's a P. I identified this as a P2, a push 2 pullback, where I entered again as a short. And my first target for the second entry was right down at the bottom of Asia. That was the safest target. My real big target was for this area here. I thought they're going to come down and stop hunt these people that came all the way down and stopped hunting. These are breakout traders. got their breakout, their stop losses, took them out. So when it was prices coming down, it came down to hit my target, but it just went too fast for me before I put my target in here. I always like to see the price come down and see how it approaches the target to see if it's a sensible one or not. But they just blew right through that and came down here. When I saw how far they went and how they came down and hit my ultimate type target without any news event, I knew that was just a blast down there. They're just going to come down and try and they're going to take out all the stop hunters. All the stop losses on the breakout traders went long here, here, and all of these places. So they took them out and induced people to go short off of these points here. So I knew it was going to be coming back, so I just did a manual exit. Back on the first entry, you can see that this is what the W looked like. And for the 3 pushes up, it was push 1, push 2. On the second leg up, it was push 1, right there, 2, then 3. They gave us another fake M up here. And then I was looking for the third push up, but I was looking for it to come up with the 3 little legs, but they just blasted up here. My target was right in here, and they just blasted right into it. And then I saw what they're doing, and they're starting to pull back, and so I did my entry manually right here. I didn't have time to put my pending order in, and so I didn't get quite as good as I wanted to, but it still worked out well. But my 5 pip stop was just right above that. And then for the second entry, I noticed that I saw push 1 down here. This was a push 2 down here, and this is a push 2 pullback. Came back to the high of Asia. By being at the high of Asia, we had a trap to the left. We were right here on the 50 EMA, this blue line right here, and the RSI was right at the 50 line. We had a confluence of events of 3 different types of events: a trap to the left, an EMA, an RSI, along with a price structure. That gave me the incentive to go short, enter another short right here. My 5 pip stop was right in here. In the event that they didn't continue down and they took me out, I still would have made money, because essentially I would have lost 5 on here, but I had a 12 pip stop, 12 pip profit locked in here, so my net would have been up 7 pips. So I would have still made some money on it. So the net overall is that I got 75 pips on my first entry with a 5 pip stop loss. That gave me a 15 to 1 reward to risk. On my second entry, the more conservative target, I got a 25 pips, 5 pip stop loss, gave me a 5 to 1. So I got a total of 100 pips with a 20 to 1 reward to risk ratio. With putting a 1% on 1% risk of your account on, you essentially increase your account by 20% with these 2 trades today. So all I can say is good luck, and I hope things work out well for you. Oh, I forgot to ask you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please click on the subscribe button below so that you can see any new postings I place on trades, or any more videos for helping you understand how to trade. And you can visit my site at mastertraderanalyzer.com. Thank you, and good luck.